Paramshanti. Welcome to a journey within, a journey of surrender, a journey towards supreme peace. Paramshanti means the highest eternal peace, the peace that is beyond mind, body, and emotion. It is not just silence, it is the blissful stillness that comes from surrendering to the divine. We try to control everything: our future, our emotions, our success. But in surrender, we let go of control and find peace. Surrender is not weakness, it is trust in the universe, in the Supreme. Surrender through breath. Slow down, close your eyes. Feel the presence of the divine. Speak the word Paramshanti softly with devotion. Let it flow through your being. When you surrender, you are free. No burden, no fear. Only presence, only peace. Paramshanti is not found outside, it awakens within. In every breath, whisper Paramshanti. In every moment, surrender. Let this supreme peace guide your life in joy and in struggle. Paramshanti, Paramshanti, Paramshanti.
बेहद की परम शांति सोचो, बोलो परम शांति मिल जाएगी। बेहद की परम शांति सोचो, बोलो परम शांति मिल जाएगी।